Wait, before you pay full price for web hosting, stop right there. Right now, there's a deal live that most people have no idea about. Through a special link, yes, a hidden link that's only in the description of this video, you can grab Hostinger for up to 85% off. And that's not even the crazy part. Stack that with an extra 20% discount on top, throw in free bonus months, and you're basically getting premium hosting for the price of a cup of coffee. Oh, and there's a full 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you don't love it, you get every single penny back. Zero risk. Literally none. Here's the thing. Bad hosting kills websites. Slow load times, random downtime, zero support. That stuff costs you real visitors, real customers, real money. Hostinger fixes all of that. Lightning-fast speeds, free SSL, one-click WordPress install, and a dashboard so clean your grandma could build a website on it. No tech skills needed, no headaches. You can go from zero to live website in under 10 minutes. But here's what you absolutely cannot ignore. This deal won't last forever. Prices can jump back up with zero warning. The moment this discount expires, it's gone. So here's what you do right now. Go to the description, click that link. Your discount gets applied automatically. No coupon code, no complicated steps. Just instant savings, extra free months, and a website that's ready to grow. The link is down there. Click it now. Don't let this one slip.